Hey Cookaholics, I'm Chef Kendra and today we're making potatoes gratin. Beautiful scallop cut potatoes with a beautiful cheesy sauce on top. Oh, so good. So let's you and I do what we do and make it happen. I'm gonna preheat this oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Sargento, get at me if you want to. But this is aged cheddar. It's very good. Mild cheddar. That is really mild. And cheddar jack. That's good. I'm gonna go with a cup of the aged. Couple of mild. And a little bit of the cheddar jack. Start making our cheese sauce for this dish. I'm gonna start off with some butter. I'm gonna melt that over medium heat. All right, now that our butter is melted, we're gonna get our flour in here. And we're gonna stir this flour around. And what we're doing here, guys, is making a roux. Gonna stir and cook this boy for about 2 minutes. Now I'm pouring the milk. And this is whole milk. All right, we're gonna cook this. And I'm gonna come by and give it a whisk up for maybe 2 or 3 minutes. That flour in there is gonna thicken it. Next up, we're gonna peel some potatoes. I'm gonna rinse these potatoes off. Now, if you are not good at cutting thin slices of Madeleine, so you gotta be really careful with these things. Use them. Safety thing that comes with it. And I suggest you use it. Those are those, and these are mine. Then since that I got the old thing out, might as well finish with it. Chop up some bacon. And it's okay because the bacon is cooked that I'm chopping it in the same chopping board. Don't freak out! Now I'm gonna add some black pepper, salt, all right, this is just what we're looking for. So I'm gonna remove it from the heat. I'm just gonna add the cheese to the pot. And once I got some melted, I add another little bit. And remember, this is 3 types of cheeses, all the variation on cheddar. Hope you're not lactose intolerant, son. Red pepper flakes in here to add a little je ne sais quoi. Mix this in. And we have our cheese sauce. So let's get started. Just gonna layer some of these down. I'm gonna let them slightly cover each other. Probably put the ugly ones on the bottom. Okay. Sprinkle half this bacon down here. And some of our cheese sauce goes over this. Okay, and we do it again. I'll make sure I use the ugly guys this time. And then our final layer of potatoes. Now we're just gonna finish with the cheese. Now guys, we're just gonna get this into the oven. Look at that cheesy goodness, yum. Can't wait to dig into this. Yo, you can find a link to this recipe in the description below. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.